Okay guys, update. I kind of jumped ahead and already pulled all the bolts out of the transmission. The harness that was still on the engine before came down and actually just plugged in down here to both O2 sensors, the oil level sensor, and there's a position sensor that you kind of can't see right here. It did loop underneath these two lines, these black lines for the DCT. You just kind of have to bend those out of the way to get your harness through, and then your harness comes up. As you guys can see, I've lowered the subframe to give me more room. Exhaust is loose. The transmission and exhaust bolts are all E12s. It's the same size for all of them. That's what they look like. Little E12. So once you pull the harness out and get all your transmission bolts off, loosen your exhaust. I've gone down in here and undone the coolant line, both high pressure feed oil lines right here. Also the suction line to the power steering pump, and there's a pressure line to the power steering pump down here, which you undoes right there. So undo that guy, undo your motor mounts, and basically she's ready to come out. Just kind of hanging in here right now. I'm gonna swing her around. I've got both my motor mounts out. Basically, yeah, everything is done. The only thing holding it together right now is the exhaust, and the transmission is just kind of being a bitch. So working on that. I think the exhaust is really what's holding me up right now, so I'm about to drop the exhaust. I was hoping it would slide off the headers, but they're not. So once I drop the exhaust, hopefully the tranny will separate, and maybe I have to drop the subframe just a little bit more, and then the motor will come out. So quick update. Disconnected the fuel line here, and almost forgot to disconnect the vacuum line to the booster. As you can see, there is a couple finger gap between the motor and the transmission. Yeah, the whole thing's pretty much out. About to try and remove the AC pump. I think I can leave it in the car. We're gonna try and do that, and then she'll come out. There it is. The good old DCT flywheel and DCT transmission. Our dirty engine bay. Just gonna get cleaned. Yeah, a couple little scrapes across here from getting it out, but pretty pleased. Was also able to leave the AC pump intact and all my refrigerant intact. Didn't bust the condenser. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Mangled this guy a little bit, but whatever. We'll just bend that over and fix that. Gonna degrease it in here. We did it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to pull the harness off the engine. So just basically follow everything around. Pretty damn easy. Starting from alternator side, kind of just push it on through to back here to where you can pull this connector through. Okay, we got it through. Moving up to our solenoid, just keep following it. Keep fishing it through. Come over here, pop these pop guys. Connectors, connector, pop clips. Get this temperature sensor in here. Everything's really easy to pull off. Alright, get our actuators. This guy actually just pops out. It's kind of a bitch, but it just pops actually. Damn, that connector's broken. So basically, yeah, you just go around, get all your connectors. It's hard to get, guys, when I'm filming, but just keep pulling all your connectors, All your coil pack guys, coil pack covers got to come off. Let your fuel line go. And then, like I said earlier in the video, there's some grounds, one being right there, and the other being right up there on that stud. Same thing on this side, 2 grounds. Pull all your connectors. Same with the injectors too, which is really cool. You just pull them. Our injector wires are out. We got a broken plug back here on one of them. Good thing we got a separate harness. Oh, well, that one's stuck. We'll get that later. Basically, just keep freeing up stuff till the whole harness is free. Okay, got the coil pack harness and the injector harness loose. Everything's loose except for there's this one underneath here. And this guy too that clips in this guy right here. Just pull it apart. You think you gotta like squeeze something or whatever, but no, it just actually just pulls apart. It's just kind of hard. And then there's this last one underneath there that right there, don't forget to get. There it is guys, all off the engine. That's what it looks like. It's off the engine. A lot more you can see. I'm actually going to be pulling these throttle body actuators out, rebuilding them. I'm also going to be possibly changing these throttle bodies or these throttle body gaskets and injectors to the other set because I know they're good. Yeah, some of these lines like this guy is dirty, cleaning inside of there, cleaning the throttle bodies, spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, thermostat, water pump, kind of all the basics. Just gonna go through it and prepare it, put it in the motor or put it in the car. Hopefully I didn't scrape my bumper right there, the jack handle, but yeah, that's how we're gonna leave it tonight. Clean up some of the shit under there. Pulled the actuators out of both motors. I'm gonna rebuild the actuators tonight and just keep working on that motor tomorrow and prepping it tomorrow and then maybe even getting it in tomorrow. We'll see. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and if you have any questions, drop a comment, send me a message. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and like I said, there will be a lot more of this.